everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. How you all doing? We're back for another fantastic wig review. Listen, I'm getting spoiled, okay? I love all of it. So I'm gonna be reviewing Love Me hair, okay? This is a little different than what I usually get. I'm trying to go into more of colors now. You know, I think it's nice to kind of switch it up a bit. If you love this hair, there is a review of this video, so I will link it in the cards. Go check it out. So let's see what we got here. And of course, the details will be on the screen as usual, so you can, you know, read it all for yourself. But this is their PartingMax, okay, by Love Me Hair. And you can see she has color. We're doing color today, honey. All right, I'm stepping all the way out. I mean, I don't say stepping out of my comfort zone because I do have a blonde-ish bob wig, sort of like a bob that I got a few years ago, and I wear it, you know, on special occasions. But yeah, this is what we're doing. So this is the Love Me hair 7x6 closure HD lace, pre-cuts, pre-bleach, ready to go. Are we loving the color though? I'm excited to see. And this is 22 inches. Usual combs in the side, combs at the back, elastic band. So definitely more parting space than this one I'm putting on right now, because this one's a 5x5. So let's see what they gifted me. All right, they're a beautiful bag, a wig cap, a wig strap. What is this? Is this like a logo thing? Love me for you. That's cute. Okay, that's cute. I guess that's something you can hang somewhere. And a little strip thingy. I love all of it. So thank you, Love Me hair. Okay, let's go. Voila, I'm excited. Let's see, let's see. This is 22 inches. So as usual, like I say, I kind of, this is the front, right? I kind of bend it a little, just kind of flip it, if that makes sense. And this is gonna go right on my forehead, okay? That's how, at least I wear my wigs. And of course, I'm sure you do yours in a different way, but this is the method I find that prevents that curling in the front that I see some women struggle with. So that way you don't get that lace folding or curling. That way you can kind of affect the ability of your lace to lay flat. So if you just bend it a little bit, kind of, you know, fold it or whatever, and then you put that towards your forehead, just like so. Okay, I learned this from my wig maker. I have a wig maker. I should say I had. She used to do lots of tutorials for us on her page and stuff. So there, we're just gonna flip the band, and then you grab it, and then you pull it all the way back. Okay, and then you can adjust the front to wherever you want her. Ooh, ho ho, ho 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 ho. Okay. This is so different, but it's okay. I got it. All right, she's beautiful. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Hold on, y'all. And again, you have the choice to glue her down or not. It is marketed as glueless. I'm loving the lace, loving the color. So, not bad. A little light here, but can definitely use the melting spray. Ooh, child, this color is fire. Fire, honey. Fire, fire, fire. Okay, so let's just comb her out and check out the curls. This is 22 inches, like I said. I always don't want to really brush out the curls so soon, because I want it to really, you know, hang there for a bit, as long as possible before, you know, oh my God, before it falls. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Hold on, y'all. Let's tuck this. Let's tuck her behind the ears. Ooh, mamma mia. Wow. This is a hair for a special occasion, honey. Like I'm going to like a nice dinner. Or a wedding. Listen, you wanna show up looking fab at a wedding. Oh, mamma mia. I can't wait for my husband to see me right now. It's gonna be like, who is this? Mr. Smith. He's gonna be like, girl. Okay, wow. Okay, love me. Okay, love me. You guys are doing the thing. You guys are doing the thing. You're doing the thing. You're doing the thing. Okay. All right. Come on now. I've not even put any kind of makeup on this. I haven't put any kind of spray on this. All right, I haven't put anything. This is literally straight out of the box, plopped on, and just brushed out. You can't tell me anything. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Wow, look at those curls. Look at those curls, guys. Wow. Wow. Okay, let me spin for you guys, right? Let me spin around. Spin around. I don't know if I've brushed the back properly, but oh, is that in good view? Are we loving or what? Wow. So there you have it, guys. What else is there to say? Do we love or do we love? I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to take a little bit of the spray. Okay. Not that I really need it right now, but yeah, let's just go for it. I'm spraying it right on the back of like my product thing here. I'm just going to put a little bit, just a tiny bit. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of that on the hairline, just on the lace with the Luvme comb. I don't want to do a full-on like melt. Guys, check this hair out. I will link it in the description if you are looking for something show-stopping. Then here you go. Don't say I don't share. Is there anything left to be said? Do we need to say anything? I don't think so. Y'all know how it is. When I feel good, we gotta complete the look with a little statement piece. Okay? Do we love or do we love? So ladies, what we doing? What do you guys think? Drop in the comments. Are you gonna go snag one of these beautiful wigs from Luvme Hair? Check out the description. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please hit the like, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you for supporting your girl, okay? Hit the share, all right? Share with your girlfriends, with your besties, with anyone who you know loves a good unit. And you know, that's a great way to support the channel, okay? Because we're still growing. And I'm super excited to bring you more wig content because I truly love wigs, okay? I truly rock them daily in my life and I change up my look all the time. But anyway, we'll see. Just stay tuned, you guys. Support the channel, like, comment, subscribe, and share, okay? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!